You have to note down the IMEI numbers which is written in the back side of the phone. Here we can see both the IMEI numbers. Just note down those numbers. There's an application called Mediatek Engineering Mode, which can be seen by searching in Google. Install that application and open it. It will lead us into the Mediatek Engineering Mode setup. Mediatek settings. Serious information, radio information, phone 1. Phone 1 is related to the first SIM slot. Here we can set the first IMEI. There is an AT command for that. EMGR 17. Select the first one, 17, and 7 is the code corresponding to the first IMEI. When the phone is above the KitKat, we have to add a space after the plus. And here in between the inverted commas, we have to enter the IMEI number. Then send AT command. AT command is msend. The first IMEI is set. And go to back and select phone 2 and here we have to select AT plus EMGR equal to 1,10. 1,10 is the code related to the second IMEI. We have to add a space in between the plus and E, and enter the second IMEI between the inverted commas. Send AT command. AT command is msend. Now both the IMEIs are set. We have to restart the phone in order to see the IMEIs. Now here it is invalid. We have to restart the phone. In some other phones, we can directly go to the MTK engineering mode by entering a USSD code *#* 3646 ###. Ta-da! We have both the IMEIs set. Okay guys, it's another video from Mobile Techie. Have a good day. Please subscribe my channel.